Hello, Mary Lou. This is
Who is this?
This is
Danny? David? Donnie?
This is Dick.
Oh, Dick, what's new?
Hey, would you like to go
What? Go what?
Would you like to go
Listen, Dick, let me tell you. Call me back when you can get your act together.
dancing?
Got the hiccups?
Uh-huh.
Can't get rid of them? Try drinking water?
Yep.
Breathing into a bag?
Uh-huh.
Scaring yourself?
Yep.
Well, if none of that worked, I've got a surefire way to get rid of those pesky hiccups. It's a little extreme, but it never fails. Want to give it a try?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. First, apply a little pressure to the stomach, like so. Then, elevate your legs over your head. Then, your head over your legs over your head, and so on. Then, after 15 minutes, elevate your legs over the ground. Now, apply a little more pressure to the stomach, followed by some light pressure on the head. Next, spend a few hours lifting farm animals. Finally, try a little more pressure on the stomach. Gently massage the head, and then combine the two, the stomach and the head. Finally, a restful spin on a bicycle. And that's all it takes. Did you get rid of your hiccups?
Yep.
And how do you feel now?
Never felt better in my life. Hello, Mary Lou. This is Dick.
Hi, Dick.
Hey, would you like to go dancing?
Sure, when would you like to go?
June?